Today the squad is going to try and conquer Hyde. That's the mountain you just saw at the beginning of this video. Yes, that mountain. I've heard multiple reports of it not being very hikeable right now because of the conditions. So I'm hoping we can make it to the summit, but I guess we'll find out. It's already getting really hot, and Nicole and I both had to shed a bunch of layers. I'll be happy when I have that jacket, if and when we get to the top though. 100%. We're like maybe halfway up, and these views are just ridiculous already. From when we first got to Alberta, Hyde was one of the mountains I wanted to climb most. I didn't even know what the name was of the mountain when I first got here, but it just looked like one of the sickest mountains to climb. It's living up to my hype so far. We're finally getting close to the summit of Hyde. You can see it in the background. Almost there. Nicole just told us to turn around, and all you can see is just mountains for days. This hike is going on the list of one of the best hikes I've ever done. Definitely got to the hardest part of the hike. We're literally crawling up the mountain now on our hands and feet because it's so steep. But man, I can't even believe where I am right now. We just got back from hiking Hyde. We're back in Jim, Jonas's car.
Big red Jim.
Big red Jim. And That was probably my second favorite hike that we've done on our trip so far. Iceberg Lake is still number one. But that was definitely the best mountain we've climbed so far. And probably the first hike I've done where hiking down was just as hard, if not harder, than hiking up it, because you were constantly like forcing yourself not to be running down out of control.
It was
such a leg workout. Holy cow. I'm hoping I can go snowboarding tomorrow still, but we'll see how my legs hold up tomorrow. But yeah, sick hike. Now we're gonna go find some food because we're all starving, because we started hiking at like 11 o'clock in the morning and it's now like
3:30.
quarter after 3. So we need to get some.
That's wrong.
Oh, okay, sorry, it's 3:30. We need some food in our bellies. Bye. So I decided I'm gonna go snowboarding today, even though my legs are killing me from that hike yesterday. I can't even believe we hiked that thing yesterday. Like here, actually, yeah, hold on. I'm gonna actually show you. That right there, that mountain. Look how big that thing is. That's what we climbed yesterday. And Jonah and I made it all the way up onto that peak. But yeah, that hike is ridiculous. Like, it's a hard enough hike to do in the summer, yet alone the winter. Considering from what I've heard from so many people on the internet that they couldn't summit it because of that one part where we were literally crawling up on our hands and feet, that they couldn't summit it because of that part because it was just covered in ice. But luckily we had enough snow coverage that we were able to get up. Holy crap. I'm actually pretty proud of us for making it up there. Because like I said, it'd be one thing to be able to do it in the summer, but to do it in the winter, it's like a whole nother animal. Now every time I look at that mountain, I look at it and I'm like, holy crap, I actually climbed that thing. Like, I can't believe it. Against my better judgment, I am going out snowboarding today, although my legs, like I said, are killing me from that hike. But I just really want to go out snowboarding. And I know I'm gonna regret it tomorrow. I'm probably not gonna be able to walk, but YOLO, gotta get it in snowboarding as much as possible. So let's do it. Let's go snowboarding, boys.